Okay, so here's the Cigarette 42 Aurorious. So really cool boat. Now this has a length overall of 47 feet. She's got a maximum horsepower of 2,500 horsepower. So really incredible. This one's powered by the Mercury 500Rs or 500 Racing, and she has quad 500Rs. You can see back there. So really cool. Now when you step in, you'll see you've got some nice seating area in the back. You do have access down into the lazarette, and then this is awesome. So this is center console. You got 6 forward-facing seats, nice and secure. And what you see is, since this is a race-inspired and racing type boat, it does have these edges here, so you'll be nice and secure. Looking forward, you do have the beautiful engraved Cigarette logo there. I love it. Very cool. Kind of a throwback to the race boats for sure. You got triple Garmins, and then you do have your controls here. Again, since you're going fast, you don't need to have joysticks and other silliness like that. This boat is actually built for performance. Nice bolster seats here, so you can be standing up. You got great visibility here. And then here's your nice leather wrapped wheel. Very cool. So we're gonna walk around. On the port side, you do have access into your guest accommodation. So we're gonna go ahead and take a quick look down here. So stepping in, you do have a U-shaped berth area, and that can fold up, so that actually the filler cushion comes up, and that makes into a table area though. So this is a socializing area, or you can definitely sleep there as the berth. Here you've got your shower area, and so you do have a nice electric flush toilet, as well as there's a dedicated shower, which is this infinity fixture here, controlled from there, and then there's your sink there. So nice head enclosure, very functional. Electrical systems here, the radio is going off. I'm not going to mess with it because it's not mine yet, but we're going to go ahead and continue our tour forward. So looking at this area here, you do have the forward facing seats here, so you can lounge out here. You do have a high-low table, and what you're going to note with this high-low table is that this can actually be removed here. So that can go down, and then you'd have a flush undersole area. So very nice. So this could be set up as it is for entertaining, or if you do just want this down where you can walk around it, you've got that beautiful beautiful bow up here, and you do have the flush cleats, as well as you do have the Garmin, so you can do power. So you can do a display of how fast